Hey guys, Brian here with E-Factor Outdoors. Thanks for watching. Today's video is my buddy Justin Waggle. He started filming with us, and he's probably under some pressure inside there. He really wants to kill a deer, and so I'm excited for him. And you guys just have to watch this video and see how he does. The video starts out with our friend Tom as an example, just regularly killing deer left and right. And Justin's been used to helping us drag deer out and stuff like that for a long time, and I'm glad that he finally gets a shot at it. Yeah, for today's video, we're going back to last year, and hope you enjoy.
Me.
Got a couple hours to spare from work here, so I'm gonna go help Tom. He's got a double kill, so I'm gonna head up there and video the recovery and help him drag him out. Then we gotta go back to work and sulk that I don't get to go hunting and I gotta go to work, but gotta pay the bills. It's October 18th. I'm on the south end of my dad's property. There's a little chunk of woods we don't really come to a whole lot, and I usually let my little cousin hunt it because he lives right up the road here, but he hasn't been here at all. And I think I might have found where our bucks have been disappearing to off camera. This place is absolutely tore up with scrapes. There's a little line of them to the side of me here. There's 6 of them in a line, and there's one more back behind me, and I can see some across the little ridge here. So I got my climber and I'm up probably 20-25 feet. Kind of windy and the wind's swirling, but I'm hoping I'm up high enough that if they do come in on this trail right below me here, they won't smell me, but we'll see what happens. Like I said, nobody's been back here at all this year, and really only hunted it once or twice last year, so it should be good. Hopefully one of the bucks tearing up all this dirt comes by. Stay tuned. see the freaking nocturnal because it's so covered in blood. I think he just crashed freaking 20 yards away. Yes. Man, that is how you break a freaking dry spell right there. Oh, God. I can't even believe that. I think that sucker just dropped right there. I just messaged, it has now been 0 days since I killed a deer. Oh, man. I wish that sucker, I could have probably let him go past the tree and got better video. But I was too nervous, man. The wind is swirling, and he was right below me. I mean, he was 5 yards from my tree. Oh man, this is awesome. It has been like 640 days since I've shot a deer, and that was with a shotgun. So I'm freaking pumped. And right over here, I caught a glimpse of him through there. He walked right through here, came down, and I think I got video of him standing right there, and then he started making a scrape. I told Tom and Josh that I wouldn't track the deer, but the sucker only ran 50 yards from my tree. It had to have been a heart shot, man. It looked like I was following a garden hose. That freaking Muzzy Trocar, man. That thing is bad. I'm gonna go get my stand. I'm gonna go get my stand. And I'm gonna go to my truck and I'm gonna act like, man, I don't know. Maybe I hit high. Maybe I didn't get heart. Arrow didn't look that great. We'll go back and I'll show you the blood trail and how absolutely ridiculous it is. He's laying right here. He literally died on the trail that I walk in on. He's only about 10 yards off to the side of it. But I'll give you guys a sneak peek. I'm gonna grab my stand. See him over there? Crashed into the fence. So let's go get my stand. And I'll let these guys follow the blood trail. I'll take them in on the other trail. Alright, I think Josh and Tom should be getting here. My deer's laying right over there. But I'm gonna bring him in on the other trail, kind of a long way over to my arrow. And act all bummed. Be like, I don't know, man, the blood ain't that good. This should be pretty funny. Tell Tom, like, don't even worry about the deer cart. I don't know if we're gonna find this dude. There wasn't really any blood. So we're gonna see how good my acting is here in a minute. Alright, I put a message on our little messenger thing. So excuse the foul language, but I put, I don't know, man, blood ain't that great. Maybe I hit high. I'll wait on you, Tom. And if I bleeped this up, I'm done hunting. Because I've had one hell of a dry spell and a couple misses. So it's over. They just don't know it yet. So I'm going to play it off for a little while. I hope I can keep from smiling a lot. They're already trying to help me out. It takes a while for blood to start pumping.
well, I hope you liked it. Thanks for watching. Again, don't forget to subscribe below. We are on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. So go check us out on those platforms if you have them. And I'll try to put some product links below to some of the stuff Justin was using in case you're interested in that. And yeah, good luck this year, guys. I haven't even killed a deer yet myself. I've been too focused on, or let me rephrase that. I'm more focused on getting my kids, and I'd like to get my wife to kill a deer this year. So those are kind of my goals. Now, of course, I see a picture or a trail camera picture of a big giant buck, you know, that's gonna get my blood boiling, and I'm gonna have to try to go after it. But don't get me wrong, I'm definitely gonna get a few hunts of my own this year. I've just recently got my vacation scheduled out, so stay tuned. I've also got a couple video ideas I want to share with you guys on some tips on kind of like how I choose a stand location. I look at the wind direction, and anyways, how do we know? I've got so many spots. How in the world do we decide which one of those spots to hunt? I'm going to try to start putting out videos immediately after they happen. So stay tuned, because this year my boys killed a doe, and Justin, he actually killed a doe this year with his recurve. And Trent Thompson, our other buddy, he shot a real nice doe on public land. So those are 3 kills so far this year on video that I'm going to try to get out. Boom, boom, boom. I just got a new laptop for editing, and so I hope that we will be able to start getting videos out to you guys right away, quickly after they happen, kind of more for a live feel. But